Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to send a sticker to your Telegram channel using the Telegram app on your PC, following the latest update. It's a quick and simple process that will add some fun and personality to your channel messages. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your channels and chats seamlessly. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where you want to send the sticker and open it. Next, locate the emojis icon within the message input area of the channel. Usually, this icon looks like a smiley face. Click on it to reveal all the emoji options available. After the emoji menu opens, look for the sticker icon. This should appear next to or near the emojis. Click on the sticker icon to open your sticker library. Here you will find all the stickers you have installed or available for use. Browse through your collection and select the sticker you want to send. Simply click on that sticker and it will appear in the message input box. To send the sticker to your channel, click on it again or press the send button if available. Your chosen sticker will then be posted in the channel, making your message more lively and engaging. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, open Telegram, go to your channel, click emojis, select stickers, pick your favorite sticker, and send it. You can easily brighten up your channel communications with expressive stickers. Enjoy customizing your Telegram channel with stickers, and stay tuned for more handy tips on using Telegram like a pro.